Alright folks, I got the new pump, so let's replace it. Here you can see my pump. All you have to do is pick it up and then it just slides right out, okay? And then we'll get it out of the way and then we'll put it on the table and work on it. Okay, and then you just work it around the corner and then you drain all the fluid out. I've already taken the spout off, so we're going to let the fluid drain out. And then this cover should just pop right off like so, and there's that pump that we've been fighting. And as you can tell, look, from the little bit I ran it, you can tell there's already sediment built up in it. Well, that's not good. Okay, and then we got to bring the cord out. All right, let's get it on the table and see what we can do with it. Okay. All right, first we're going to remove the support bracket right here, and it's just 2 screws if you can get it undone. They're flats or Phillips depending on what you got. And then it's funny, when I took it apart the first time, one of them had a washer behind it and the other one didn't, so keep track of that. And this one has the washer right there, and probably the other one doesn't. And then once this bracket comes out, then you can undo the plastic parts. There we go, as one. And then get rid of this bracket. There we go. And the bracket just slides right off like that. And then this part you can actually just unscrew. And it comes out like that through the hole. And then you can unscrew this part from here. Let me see if I can get a crescent wrench. I don't know why they use so much plastic on this, but here we go. Alright, there we go. And the O-ring right there. And then we're going to have to take this lower part off, remember, because that's where the cover is. That removes it. So here we go. Work it off. There we go. Put it over there. And then this one, you can work it right off. Now that is free, okay? So now we have to get the screws that hold the switch on place so we can wire the new motor. And for the new pump, here's that one I was telling you about. I got this from oops, sorry, there's the part number. I got it from Summit, like I said, and there it is. It looks like almost an exact copy of it. There it is right there. And it was a performance, $29.99 plus tax, free shipping to my door. And then there's the pigtails on that side. So let's see what it takes, okay? So first I'm going to undo the screws that hold the switch in place. And let's hope that comes apart without too much. There we go. It looks like there's only 2, but we'll see in a second. And that one has a brochure. Okay. And then this one over here by the cord. Okay, those are these. Are spinning well. And let's get that. And this one has a washer too, interestingly enough. And then there it is. Okay, here's the wiring in the back. See, there's the pigtails and the ground. So what I need to do is undo this ground here for the motor and then the 2 pigtails, and then leave everything else alone, okay? Because this one is from the outlet and it's grounded to the box, looks like. So I'll have to undo this one, and then we can undo the others and then pull it through, looks like. Let's see how well that works. Okay, there we go. We're taking that apart. Okay. And then undo this. Alright, so looks like it's black on the right. And then just unplug it from the switch. Okay, let's see. I'm going to try to undo those two right here. And then we're going to get it. So remember, black, white on the other side. But I think it should be okay. Okay, I'll be right back when I get this together. Alright, so I slid it passed through the grommet, and one at a time like this, and it came through the grommet. The hole's big enough. Okay, so white, white with white, 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 just like the outlet. Let's put that on. There we go. Black, black, like so. And then we'll put the ground strap here using the screw over here. Okay, let's not lose anything. That would suck. And put it all back together. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got that. I got that. Send that through. Put a lock washer on it. And we'll tighten that up. And it's pretty simple. The rest is just in reverse of the way we took it apart. And then and then this is just going to go back in here like so. Okay, and we'll put the hardware back on it. That there, washer and a nut. And then another one. And a washer and a nut. And hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Alright. And I'll get those tightened down, okay? But the switch is back on. Alright, we'll get that tightened out. Remember to mount this. It's got the slides in the back right here. So we're going to take this cover off. There we go. Take the cover off all the way around. Okay. And then we're going to slide it on. Oops, it is easy. Let's see. It should fit. There we go. Okay. Same thing. We'll put it on that way. And then make sure it's actually seats. There's a seat on the back. We got a little bit. We got to seat that in the back a little bit. As you can see, it's sitting up proud. So let's see what's going on. Maybe it's not going in the other way. Okay, let's see. Start in the back first then. I think it's not going down all the way. There we go. It went down. I think that's what it needed. There we go. Alright, so that's tight. So now we put this on, and then like I said, I'll tighten those up, and then we'll get it back on and in. But the biggest thing is, I think the leak around here, since it's only a clip-on, I'm getting a lot of sediment past the filter. So we're gonna have to probably do something about that. Not too tight here, that's just like that. And then this. Okay, too far, we're gonna stop right there. And then the bracket goes on there like that, with it going through the top of the hole. Line it up, and then we'll tuck everything back in here like that, and we'll get it mounted. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, I got all the screws mounted. We'll put this over there, and then this cover back on it, and we gotta probably figure out a way to seal this thing. But all it is a clasp, and this is the problem, I think. All right, so that's it. That's on, and then send the outlet through, like so. Put it in here, and then you can just, you know, tighten down your that's it, like that. Send this in through. And then just drop it into place once you get it lined up. Let's see. There we go. And that's it. And then we'll plug it in. Yes. Works perfect. And like I said, this is like the flat spot. You can't take this thing apart to work on, and really it was just as easy just to replace it. But again, the sediment I think is a big problem, so I'm gonna have to get a different screen or something, or seal this case better so that it's not picking up as much work sediment. But otherwise, hey, thanks again guys for joining me and watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day. Take care now.